This is Dansoy. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to another smoothie. We're going to take this journey together. Please subscribe and please hit the bell because I'll bring you 3 to 4 updates a week. We'll take this journey on learning how to make smoothies and chef meals and other stuff. Peace out. God bless. Hi, this is Dansoy bringing you the strawberry Yuzu Smoothie. I could be not pronouncing this right, but the name will be in the description and all the ingredients. This is a vegan one, and you know me, of course. It's like 9:52 p.m. at night. I never get started early. I think I should try to transition into cooking in the morning, but it's summer day out here and it's really dark and warm. But I'm going to bring you this smoothie. So it's a strawberry Yuzu smoothie. We got the 8 ounces of almond milk, 3 ounces of pineapples that are frozen, 3 ounces of strawberries, and here's that Yuzu Puree. It kind of looks like duck sauce. It tastes, here it is, you can see the texture right here. It's pretty thick, and it has like a grapefruit mandarin orange taste. It's really good. The description of it will be in the YouTube video. So I'll be back in a minute. Facebook and YouTube. Let's enjoy. Alright, so we're back. Facebook and YouTube. They call me Batman and Dansoy. So I'm back in the kitchen. We're going to take our almond milk. And like I said, it's 8 ounces. Pour it in the blender or your bullet. So you got that in there. Then take your strawberries, toss the strawberries in there, and then take your pineapple. If you want, you can use fresh fruit. There's no signs to this. And here's that Yuzu Puree. It's really thick. So you want to pour that in the whole container. Right now, I'm not really used to drinking that, so I'm only going to put a partial amount in there. But like I said, you can pour the whole thing in or tailor it to your needs. So we will be back soon. Batman Dansoy. Alright, Batman in the kitchen is back, aka Dansoy. Let's have fun from now on with our cooking, smoothies, and everything else. We've got everything in the blender. Now we're going to hit smoothie. So just blend it to the texture you want. It doesn't take long, maybe like 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your taste. But there's that strawberry Yuzu smoothie. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I apologize. This is something new for me, and I've never drank this before, but it's vegan and it's good for you. So now we're just going to pour it into the glass and straw it, put a straw in there, and we are set, friends. Alright, friends, so let's try to pour this without spilling it. I'm Dan the cameraman. So we got that nice smoothie in there. We're going to put a straw in. And you can see that the light is really bad in here right now. And that's the strawberry Yuzu smoothie. But there it is right there. So, boy, that's good. It has like a grapefruit taste and the mandarin orange with the vanilla and the fruit. So that is really good. So like I said, so that's our smoothie. God bless. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, and I promise to bring you like 3 to 5 updates a week. If I have a busy week, I'll bring you at least 2, but my goal is 3 to 5 updates a week. God bless and peace out. Dansoy, Batman.